It's a street market, kind of a wet market in Pibun, eastern Thailand. It's like a lot of good vegetables for sale. I'm not sure what these are, soups or meats or something. Yeah, lots of he's counting his money. Counting those Thai baht. Looks like he's had a good morning so far. So this place is just, it's a huge building. And then underneath are just, hundreds of these stalls. Money. We got some fish. What we got here? Just amazing how many stalls there are here. Okay, she's making some kind of muffins. All right, now she's got 40 baht in her hand. So she has 40 baht, that's $1.25, maybe $1.30. And he put maybe, I'd say maybe 5 or 6 little fish in that bag. Morning. And they've got ribs here. Morning. Hello. There's a lot of clothing on the other side. I'm going to walk over there and see what they have for shirts. Okay, so we're outside now. Got some fruit. There's another Westerner there. So out here in eastern Thailand, you don't see a lot of Western people. That gentleman there, he's the first, okay, say white guy I've seen all morning. There's a little taxi station. Everywhere you go in Thailand, there's always some kind of shrine or temple type structure at most entrances to businesses. Wow, look at these cucumbers. I guess these are cucumbers. I mean, there's just bags and bags of them. Look at that. And these are all fresh, and this is December 1st. Nice fresh veggies on December 1st. Gotta love that. All right, here we got all kinds of slippery little guys here. Swati Cap, how are you? No, just English. Hi. No, thank you. I don't know what she was saying, but she was smiling, so hopefully it didn't upset her. All right, let's see what we got for clothing. I don't know if any of these prices are marked. Now in Ho Chi Minh, they had some really nice, like knockoff shirts, but they were good quality. And I bought a couple Levi's. I don't think they were authentic Levi's, but they felt the same. They were comfortable. Still have 2 pair of them, and I think I paid $10 a piece for those. I want to see if I can find some men's shirts. Okay, let's sneak back in here. So they've got clothing on this side of the building, and all the food and fish and veggies are on the other side, fruit. Lots of clothing. These shirts here, they look pretty good. Now here's some Levi's. Well, kind of. What do they call this? Live Lecto. See, it's kind of got like the Levi tab on it. That's a super stiff denim. Hello. Hello. How much are these shirts? How many baht? Just want to see what the price is on those. If you bring me out a calculator. How much is this one? Looking at this blue shirt right here. It's a size 42. It says 250 baht. Okay, thank you. So that's $7 or $8 for that shirt. All right, let's jump back over here to the fruits and vegetable section. And then this video is running about 9 minutes now, so I'll try to wrap this up in another minute or two. But wanted to give you a brief tour of the main city market in Pibun Mangsahan. And then later, I'm going to take an apartment tour, try to get that on video later this morning. I found a really nice apartment, and it is less than $100 a month. So, with prices increasing everywhere, I just want to show the viewers and people interested in Thailand that you can still live really inexpensively, even in Thailand where prices are going up. But of course, you have to be willing to get out into some more rural areas. But you know what? If you don't need all the big city life, and you don't need the clubs and all that kind of stuff, which I don't, then a place like Eastern Thailand is perfect. Because if you want, you can get into Bangkok. You can do a 10-hour overnight train, or you can do a 1-hour flight. So you can get into the city or get down to Phuket or Koh Samui, within a couple hours flight time, if that's what you want. And then come out, to the Eastern Thai area and keep your expenses a little bit lower. Okay, I'm gonna go a little further, take a left, go outside and see if I can find my scooter. Oh man, look at those shrimp. Those look really nice. Nice fresh shrimp and seafood. We got some nice fish here. Now that's an entire pig's head there. Hello. How are you? Most people are pretty polite with the camera. They don't seem to mind. Sometimes I worry that, I don't want to be rude, but boy, I mean, to me, these places are so fascinating, and I just want to show people. It's just so interesting, and this is going on every day. Okay. You guys found him a drink. All right, here's my little scooter. Nan's friend Bang was kind enough to let me borrow this for the week that I've been out here visiting. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. Head over to that apartment a little bit later, try to get some footage of that. But yeah, I want to show you this apartment here in the next video that less than $100 a month rent. I mean, it's amazing. And it's a nice, clean place. $100 plus electric. Actually, it's around $95. Okay, see you in the next video.